Few days back, I observed these two Bluetooth speakers, F&D W12 and Portronics SoundPot. So in this video, let's compare these two. Also, I will be comparing them with the JBL Charge 2 Plus to give you an idea of how good these speakers are.
Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity. Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity. All we want is please. Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity.
Portronics SoundPot and F&D W12 both speakers offer great value for money. The SoundPot has better sound quality and bass, but it's not waterproof. Whereas the W12 is a good waterproof speaker. And if you want to buy any of these Bluetooth speakers, then you can find the buying links in the description down below. So that's it for this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more.